guys, welcome back. I'm so excited today to open with you my big box of Look Fantastic. It's the Advent calendar for 2018 and I've ordered it a bit late, so it came around mid-December, but the thing is we could open 2 to 3 boxes per day. Let's open this box. This is the HD brows. We have like 2 highlighters there because they have a little bit of shimmer in here, a bronzer, a blush, yeah. So this is the first one and the second one. What I'm gonna do is every day after work I am going to film 2-3 minutes of my opening and I'm going to show you what I've done. Oh, this is Filorga. It's a makeup remover. I've heard so much about this brand, but I've never tried it. They turn it on like firecrackers. Yeah, so the thing is, this is my first time buying an advent calendar. I'm so excited to discover what other products I can find in it. I haven't spoiled myself by looking at the list of products that is in the advent calendar. And I'm going to discover it with you. I think that's all for today, and continue watching for the unpackaging, I would say, for the days that is going to come. Look who's here, look who's here. So today we're gonna open 3 and 4 because we're late with this. We're gonna open 2 at a time. That's not so bad after all. Well, it does smell like soap, so I guess it must be a body or a face care cream. Well, I'm wrong. It's actually for the hair. It's the Wonder Ball for the hair, and it smells good. Something that you can actually use after towel drying your hair and you don't have to rinse it after. I have never used this product in my life before, so I think this is my first time buying an advent calendar, and I think it is so exciting because I'm gonna discover so many brands and so many products that I maybe would never have bought in my life. So that's for the number 3. Now we're gonna take the number 4. And ta-da! Oh, it's the Black Magic. Oops! It's the Black Magic Mascara, Drama and Curl. Apparently, it is water resistant and it is carbon black. I'm just gonna open it because I'm curious. Maybe that's not a good idea because it's gonna dry up really quickly as soon as I open it. But I just want to see the little brush. Well, the quantity, as you see, is very little because it's a sample. But then, if you look at the brush, it's like a curler brush. So, this might be a good one. And it says Carbon Black Instant Effect. Let's see what in those 3 things. Okay, so what do we have here? I've opened the 3 ones. The first one here is Ultra Slim Brow Definer. This is the one that I got in the 5, yeah. And this is the shade. It's like a pale satin color, and it's easier if you have dark eyebrows because you can accentuate them with a darker one. So that's for day 5. And now for day 6, this is a facial oil by AH. It's Irma Hardy, and this is just a normal facial oil. to give yourself a little bit of more moisturization, a little more of glowing skin. Day 6. And for the day 7, we have the Glam Glow. I don't know if you've heard about the mud treatment, but this is a sample version of it. And this is a mask. So that was for 5, 6, and 7. Stay tuned for tomorrow. 3 more boxes to open. Only Thursday and so freaking tired. But here's to day 4. 3 more boxes. That's a heavy one. This is box 8. This is the shower gel by Molten Brown. I just want to smell it. It smells delicious. It's like jasmine and some Indian wood, but I don't think that's Indian wood. That would be so odd. Number 9. Ow, a toothpaste. This is an advanced toothpaste that regenerates blah blah blah, but reverses the early erosion process. Why not? And number 10. Oh, look what it is. Again. Another mud cream, mud gel, mud exfoliator. And this one is by... I'm sorry guys, I don't know how to pronounce this. Tomorrow, 3 more boxes. 11, 12, and 13. Go, go, go. I have to find the numbers first before I can open. Number 11. Dee-dee. It's Rituals. It's the magic cream. I mean, the magic body cream. And it smells like, you know, Japanese flower, very fresh, very blossom. I'm happy with this one. Number 12. Oh, that's a mask. Has nothing to do with scrub or whatever I was saying. It's a thickening hair and scalp mask. It will normally nourish the scalp. Just want to open it. I don't know if it's open. No, it's closed. It's closed. These are tanning drops. I think I might have to give that to somebody as a gift. I don't need tanning products. And it's from Balancem. Okay. It's easy to apply and gradual tanning drops. I don't know if I really need that. You could mix it to your moisturizer and use it as you know, to add that little color. For the moment, not much makeup, only body lotions, I mean skincare and body care, hair care of course. We're gonna see what it brings. See you tomorrow. First of all, today we're gonna open 14, 15, where's the 15? 15 and 16. So yeah, today we're gonna open these 3 ones, and I'm gonna stop the video today here, and I'm going to do a next video with 17 till 25, so that I know I haven't talked much about the products. I've just shown you like, yeah, this is this product. It's because I don't want to make the video too long. So yeah, I cut all the speeches and everything. Let's go for the 14. This is a lipstick, finally some makeup. It is by Lipstick Queen and it's the color Frog Prince. Do you think it's a good color for me? It broke! Do you believe that? This is this. All broken and everything. And the packaging is nice. Lipstick Queen. Color Frog Prince. I don't know if that's a real color. We're gonna try it. No, it's like a balm. It's like a balm color. Doesn't have any particular smell. So let's move to something better maybe. It's a palette. It's a sleek palette. The colors look already very nice. They're like nude colors. I should open this, come on. Oh, there's a small tag. Gotcha. I'm excited for this one. The palette's name is Oh So Special. Oh, so special. I just hope it's not broken inside. No, it's not. Oh my. The colors are really nice. Oops. It's a bit of shiny. I will do a look. My greasy hand with the lipstick put fingerprints on it. Oh god. Number 16. A big box. And it's super light. It's a graphic pen by Deuce. Fine tip. Yeah, by Deuce Cosmetic. Never heard of it also. And let's see the felt tip. I'm scared to open those things because they dry up very fast. And not that super dark, but it's super fine though. Yeah. Well, that was today. That was for today, guys. I'm gonna stop here for this video. Thank you for keeping up with me and seeing my little opening of the little boxes. I'm sorry I couldn't talk more about the products, but if you want to see anything in particular or you want more details about the product, do not hesitate to leave a comment below, or you can just send me a message, or you can just ask me to do another video with the product, or if you want more details, I can put a post on my blog too and talk about the product there, like what does it do, why do you need it, I don't know, anything that you want to know. And stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye!